The Clix Communicator is the first smartphone from the brand behind the Clix keyboard cases. The BlackBerry-style phone has all the features of a modern smartphone. After making physical keyboard cases for select smartphones from Apple, Google, Motorola, and Samsung, Clix has decided to make a smartphone with a physical keyboard. Called the Clix Communicator, the Android-powered smartphone is the latest attempt at making a modern BlackBerry-styled smartphone. The Clix Communicator has a 4.03-inch 1080 by 1020 AMOLED touch display with rounded corners and a uniform bezel. The screen has a punch hole for a 24MP front-facing camera. Clix has opted to have the punch hole in the top left corner. Inside the Clix Communicator is an unspecified 4nm MediaTek processor with an unspecified RAM but 256GB of storage. It also has a microSD card slot for adding up to an additional 2TB of storage. The phone ships with Android 16 with a custom launcher. Clix says it will provide 2 years of Android updates and 5 years of security updates. There's a single 50MP camera on the back with optical image stabilization and a 4000 mAh silicon carbon battery with support for Qi 2 wireless charging and USB-C charging. It features NFC, Wi-Fi 6, and audio jack. The phone weighs 170 grams and is 12 mm thick. The Communicator also supports swappable back covers, which are available in multiple color options. Will be priced at $499. However, early adopters can reserve the phone right now for $399. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.